Hello everybody, today we are going to show you how you can create your new Facebook account. If you don't know how to create it or you are not familiar with it, today we are going to show you step by step how you can open your new Facebook account. So first of all, you will enter Google Play Store. You will download Facebook app. Then after downloading it, then you install it. After the installment, then you click on the app. When you click on the app, a screen like this, exactly what is showing here on the screen now, will show to you. Then you will now click, which is you touch this create new Facebook account. If you are a new user and you don't have any account before, you touch this particular one, this down one here, this particular down one here, which is a create new Facebook account. But if you have an account before, and you want to log in, then you can see here the details, phone number or email, then password, then log in here. Then if you forget your password, you can also click this place here. Then but for this particular video we are doing here today is for those who want to open new Facebook account. So I will now touch on this create new Facebook account. So let's wait there. You can now see a new screen here again. Then in this screen here, you can see, which is click next. You touch the next here, this particular place here, you touch this option, which is the next. Then after touching it, it will now open. A new pop-up like this will open to you. Then you insert your first name. To me now, I'm going to insert my first name now. Sunday. Then I go to the last name. I'll now insert Efe. Good. Which is, let me come back here to show you the procedure. After you have insert your first name, this particular one here, then you insert your second name here, which is the last name. Then you click on this next. You touch on the next button like this. Then you will now select your birthday. This is where you will select your birthday, the date that you were born to this earth. But if you don't like to insert the real date, the year, you can put another date there. But for you to be trustworthy, you need to insert your real years. So after you have insert your real years now, so to me now, I'm going to, because I've already have an account, I'm just doing this video for those who are opening new Facebook. So I will select any year, which is the years. I'm not going to put my real year in this way. I'm selecting 1990, which is 1990. Then selecting 31st January. Then after this, after you have selected which is 33 years old, then you touch on this next, this particular one here, next. Then you touch it. Then you now say select your gender. In this particular place now, you select your gender, either you are a male or a female. This is where you select it. The number one here, which is this particular number one here, is showing which is female. Then the second one male. Then the other one here is custom, which means the one you belong to. If you have any gender, if you belong to a man, or you don't belong to a man, or you don't belong to any other thing, then which is the one of the custom. But to me, I select on the male because I'm a man, a boy. So I select the male here. But if you are a girl, you select on this female. Then you now scroll it up. You can now see next here. You touch on the next. then you insert your phone number. You can see it here. Enter the mobile number where you can be reached. You can hide this from your profile later. So this mobile number, if you don't want to insert your mobile number, you can also switch it to sign up with email address. Sign up with email address. If you have phone number, you can insert your phone number here. But if you don't have phone number, you can now use your email address. So on this now, I'm going to use, which is email address. I'm going to use my email address, which is this particular place here. Switch to sign up with email address. So I switch now. Then you can see all my email, which is some of my emails on the phone. You can now see them here. So I'm going to select one. This particular one, I'm selecting the number 1 there. I'm selecting the number 1, which is Sunday Efe official. Then I'm going to insert my phone number now and my password. I'm going to insert my password. You can put any password. It's not the password that I'm going to use here that you are still going to use. You can use your own personal password. I'm just making a video how you can open your Facebook account. So I'm going to use number now, which is Sunday Efe. I'm going to use Sunday Efe. You can see Sunday Efe. Then I'll now click on the next. Okay, you can see now your name cannot be your password. Password should be longer than character. It's 6 characters. Unique. So I'm going to insert number in front of it. For example, I'm going to insert number or any other symbol, like you can see, or star. You can see. Then I click OK. You can see now. So after clicking the next, you now see as Facebook, they have accepted the password. So after everything, I'll now click sign up. Please let me just bring it back so that you know I will continue creating an account. So you can see sign up, creating your new account. Just wait a minute time, you will see your new Facebook account. Just a minute time, because I'm having some issue with Airtel network. Here you can see successful. So signing in. Let's sign in now. So you wait for some minutes. Then you can see, because I'm using Airtel SIM card, so it's showing here that use Facebook in basic mode with Airtel. In this particular place, this is where you can use Facebook free of charge. You can use Facebook free of charge using an Airtel SIM card. This is where you can use Facebook free of charge. But to me, I don't want to use it, because in this free mode, picture, you don't see picture. You are not going to know. You don't have access to viewing of picture. You don't have access of viewing of videos and some other things there. So because of that, I'm not going to click on the continue. I'm going to click on this no thanks, because if you touch on this continue, you will go to the free mode. Then if you touch on this no thanks, then you will now go to which is a data mode. So I'm touching on the no thanks. So you can see they are asking me question here that will you keep using your regular Airtel data rate to browse Facebook? If you say okay, that means you accept. If you say go back, which is the down one, if you say go back, that means you do not accept. So I'm accepting on, okay, I'm taking on this, which is this number 1 here. Okay, use data. So you wait for some minutes, then you can see now this is the main profile, the new profile that you just open. You cannot see different option. But if you are on the on a free mode, all this video here you can't see it, you can't see any of this. But in data mode you see all this, you see all these videos, you can see them here. So as a new user to Facebook, they are telling you that add 15 friends to see more posts. Add 15 friends to see more posts. So when you click on these find friends, that means you are about to add other friends there. So from here you have successfully created your Facebook account. Then for you to come up, for you to update your profile, you can touch on this logo here. This is your profile. You cannot see your new profile here. Then in this your profile here, in this your profile, this where this particular place here is where you put your picture, which is where this arrow is showing. You put your picture. Then in this whole place, add a cover, which is your banner or any other picture that you feel like to use as your banner. Then you add it there. Then you can see the username that I used the other time. Then you open this. After opening it, you fill all your information. You edit your information here. Edit, which is a public details. This is where you edit it. You can see. Describe yourself. You describe who you are for here. Then hobbies, what you are doing, you add it here. You can see the ad here at the ending of it here. Then feature, you see feature here. If you like this video, you can touch on the subscribe button at the bottom there, so that anytime we upload more video, you will be the first person to see them. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching.